Let me show you how we can change home screen wallpaper on iPhone 17. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, then scroll down in order to find wallpaper settings. And over here, once you have your set of wallpapers, if you want to customize or actually change the home screen wallpaper, then we need to tap on customize on the home screen. So I assume that you want to keep the lock screen wallpaper. And over here, you can switch to color or a gradient. You can also press again in order to choose the color or the gradient, or you can choose photo in order to pick a photo from your gallery. And then as you can see, you should be able to press done in the upper right corner, and then again in order to set the new wallpaper. And now we have different wallpaper in the, well, not yet actually, we need to set this current in my case. And you should be able to have a different wallpaper in the home screen, but in the lock screen it should stay the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.